Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on the Motorola G73. So we have a Google Lens feature here, so there is two ways, and the first one is by the Google Lens. So we have to open the Google Photos app or your gallery app and choose the photo that you want to search in the Google, like this one, and now just click the Google Lens icon. And now we are looking automatically in the Google image database for the similar images. Okay, that was our first method, so now it's time for the second one by the web browser. So we have to open the web browser and go to the google.com. Oh, sorry about that. I'm a little bit confused, but just go to the google.com. And now, it's very necessary step. Go to the three-dot icon and choose desktop site. Now tap on the camera icon and choose upload a file. Add the permissions to the gallery and choose the photo like before. Click done, and now we are looking for the images in the Google base. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.